Today, we, Data Anchor, will be presenting our project titled Text to SQL Generator using large language models and LangChain. So, in today's world, data is everywhere, but accessing data requires knowledge of SQL, which many non technical users usually don't have. Because of this creates a gap between humans and databases. The goal of our project is to bridge this gap by allowing users to ask questions in natural English. For example, show all students from data science with marks above 80 and automatically converting it into a correct SQL query.
The core idea of this project is text to SQL generation using LLMs. Instead of hard coding queries, we use transformers and LLMs for language understanding, prompt engineering to guide SQL generation, LangChain as orchestration framework. At high level, the system works like this. User enters the natural language query, scam information is ejected into prompt. Then LLMs generate the SQL query and the query is validated and executed safely. Results are returned in readable form. LangChain plays a critical role in this as by connecting the LLMs, scam, prompt and database into the structured pipeline.
The strength of this project lies in its design choices. A scheme-aware query generation. LLM is never guessing. Scheme explicitly provided reduce hallucinations. Simple database designs. Create table if not accessed. Unique contains prevent duplicate data issues. LangChain waste orchestration. Clean separations of prompt logic, LLM logic, database logic, easy to scale to other databases. SQL security. Only select queries allowed to prevent SQL injection, safe for real users and unlike basic text to SQL demo. This project focuses on reliability, security and explainability, which are essential for real world system. Thank you.
So as part of our framework, we are using currently Python as our main programming language, SQL database for database management in a lightweight fashion, and SQL Lite 3 for database interaction. When it comes to AI and neural linguistic programming, we are using transformer-based LLMs from OpenAI, and currently we are focusing on prompt engineering and schema-based algorithms for NLP. As for framework, we're currently using LangChain and SQL database and its modules. And finally, for safety, we are blocking drop, delete and update as per SQL commands. We are also restricting schema execution, and we are restricting SQL. This way the system is safe yet modular and fast.
Our target audiences are non-technical business users, data analysts, educational tool, chat-based database assistant. In future, what we can do are multi-table joins, visualization of results, voice to SQL, support for MySQL, or fine-tune domain-specific elements.
To conclude, this is how AI can democratize data access by combining LLMs, LangChain and perfect SQL execution. We can further improve the interaction between humans and AI safely and securely and make it more efficient to the times that come. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.